Hello guys, good morning. It's the time of year again. Family's up on holiday and not a good start of the day because our train's cancelled. So we're waiting for an hour and a half, I think, to take the train. Anyway, see you soon wherever we're going. Take care.
Epic transition.
Come on then, let's go to our room. Bathroom check here in Holiday Inn Express Hotel here in Heathrow Airport, Terminal 4. Because our flight is tomorrow very early in the morning, so we had to rent a room here. Nice room. This morning breakfast in here. We're flying a Lufthansa Airlines, German Airlines. So we're gonna check in 1 hour luggage, and we're probably gonna be bored afterwards. So after we passed through the security, we just found out our flight to Frankfurt from Heathrow was an hour delayed, so we're just waiting here.
Außerdem sind Sie gesetzlich verpflichtet, den Hinweisschildern, Leuchtzeichen und 1340 to Budapest is now from gate A21 and our arrival position in Frankfurt will be the gate B47.
So we have landed here in Frankfurt Airport in Germany, and we are going to a connecting flight from here to Incheon. It's gonna be like a 12-hour trip, so yep, from Frankfurt to Incheon, South Korea.
11 Stunden betragen. Bitte schalten Sie nun Mobiltelefone und andere Geräte mit Sendefunktion.
This is Lufthansa food menu. So I'm gonna try the beef galbi chim. Drink. So this is our food now, beef with rice. It's like Korean kimchi here. Breakfast. Landed here in Incheon, South Korea. Welcome to South Korea. You in? Hey. Frankfurt.
I'm too tired.
We're going to the hotel now. At last, we have arrived here in Incheon Airport here in South Korea. So we're just gonna stay for a night before we continue our flight going to Philippines tomorrow. Is my After 8 years. After 8 years, I haven't been in Philippines, so it's my first time to visit again.
Actually, 9. 9 years, actually.
9? Oh,
Yeah.
Chloe said 9 years.
Because
So this is the airport here in Incheon, Seoul, Korea. But staying here for a night only, and then we'll be back here in 3rd week of July. I'm gonna see a friend of mine.
never mind, it is a.
So we're just getting a currency exchange there. Charlie and Daddy there. Just getting some Korean won. It's happy to be here. It's our first time here in South Korea, all of us. Excited to explore South Korea. But in 3 weeks time, not this time, because we're just staying overnight and we'll go back here in 3 weeks time probably. You see my classmate. So looking for our bus, shuttle bus. Free shuttle bus going to the hotel. This is the Incheon, outside the Incheon airport.
손잡이를 꼭 잡아주시기 바랍니다. 前方到站是第2航航空公司1航站楼。안내말씀드립니다. 안전사고 예방을 위하여 착석 및 안전. This stop is Airport Administration Building and Government Agency Building in International Business Center.
We have found our hotel. One is for the wet. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요, Chloe. You like it here? Enjoy the. So it's she first day in South Korea. First day and first night. Oh, that's nice. I like that one already. So we're trying this Korean shop here. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, 4 of them. I don't think so. Let's go. You remember, yeah? You know what to get? Charlie, choose one for you. Chloe, choose one for you as well. Choose. All the Korean foods. Loads of Korean. Paying 5 minutes. Hotel. Good morning, guys. We are going to the Immigration Affairs, international boarding. Having breakfast now. Breakfast and lunch burger. You alright? So we are ready to take off now from Incheon Airport going to Philippines. See you soon, Philippines. This is from Cebu Pacific. sweet home at last. After 7 long years, we waited so long, traveled so long time as well, and at last we're home now. We landed here in Philippines. Excited to see my mom and my dad, my siblings, and all my friends and relatives. See you all soon. Landed Philippines, July 7, 2024, and it's Sunday. So I'm excited. My sister and my niece, they are waiting for us. Thank you very much. We landed safely. Safe back home in Philippines, my home sweet home. Excited to see my Lola. That is Lola. My Chloe's Lola and Lola. Daddy's. Thank you, Daddy. Landed after all the halaba. So we're gonna go to the immigration. Welcome to Philippines. Welcome to the vlog, Jade. Vlog ka na.
Hello po.
Si Jade na ang vlogger natin. Hi, BGC. Ang ganda.
Dami din daw pong foreigner dito.
Lahat sila nagdito na. Kaya nandito si Kuya Steve. Makikisama siya.
Maganda mag-vlog dito.
Wow, ang ganda. Sino?
Si Avella.
Mm.
Video react.
Nag-asa. Hi guys, I'm just gonna show you where we are going to stay here in Philippines for 3 weeks. We had this Airbnb for 3 weeks. It's an Avant apartment here in BGC by the fort. There's a living room here. Nice. Master's bedroom here. Aircon, cabinets, toilet. Very nice. Shower. Some sitting area here. Wardrobe. Big mirror. It's lovely. So then, they have a TV here as well, fridge, and this is the dining area, kitchen area over here. There's washing machine as well, a dryer, stove, sink, fridge, drinking water, and some shoe rack over there. The living room, another living room, telly. And I'll show you the other bathroom here, because this is a 3-bedroom apartment here in PGC. Very nice. This is gonna be Charlie's bedroom, the only boy. That's the view from up here. Beautiful. Hello. And this is the girls' bedroom. May aircon din sila, table, dressing table, 2 beds, additional bed. Mas 3 sila. Ayan, ito yung BGC. Oh, Jade, hello to the vlog. Jade, pamangkin ko, ang aking sister. You saw my sister from Malaysia vlog before. And there's some more buildings up here. Nice view. Oh, may McDonald's there. There's some malls there, the fort uptown.
So you want to sleep here or there na lang? I don't know.
Cheetah. Oh. Tuluan ko. Mag-charge daw yata siya. Ay, ito na ipinid adapter? You need adapter or not? Kasi 3 yan eh. 3 pin yan siya nalin. It's lovely. Nice big house. Big apartment. This is in BGC, the fort. You like it, Dee? It's nice, isn't it?